This is a Peugeot 207, and the engine was totally damaged, finished. This is the old engine here, where we needed to take off the cylinder head. We needed to take off the cylinder head because it's overheat. And this is the cylinder head here. And it overheats so bad where you could see the valve seat falling out the head. So we need to change the engine because the cylinder head no good and the engine block is also messed up. And this is the replacement engine. We already installed the transmission, and now we're getting ready to install the engine back into the car and reassemble the car. So the engine is bolted up and most of the wires is connected, has been connected. Now I'm going to install in the ignition coils and finish doing some more tidying up with the hose, then we can put the front on. Peugeot it's completely put back together. Now I'm going to start the engine, and after that we should go on a test drive and make sure everything is okay. And here you can see the engine running good. I'll just check. Engine sound nice and quiet. Okay, now we're going to go on a test drive and see how this baby is going. And that's our tool 7. So So I'll put back together.